Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Iwa app. We go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Iwa app and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.